Dear Fellows, some universities in Turkey also offer classes during the annual summer break between June and August. Summer school programs usually run for 6 to 8 weeks and are open to all international students. Students are often able to receive credits for attended courses and transfer them to their facilities and back home. Universities with summer programs offer students the best of both academic and cultural worlds in a number of ways. Students take courses taught in English by international facility members. At the same time, they have the chance to experience the culture of Turkey, a country where Europe and Asia literally meet in addition. Summer schools give students the opportunity to study abroad and earn credits without missing anything their own universities. For more further information about the education in Turkey, see the following video.